Convenience store layout and design. The decoration design concept of convenience stores should be both practical and beautiful. Color is a very important factor. We use light green as the color scheme for the entire store, bright and refreshing. Warm lighting should also be used. Create a great shopping atmosphere for retail spaces. The selection of shelves is also crucial. Our shelves are made entirely of steel material, strong load-bearing capacity. Adopting a modern minimalist design style, good transparency of the side network. Shelves have multiple combinations. Disassembly and assembly are also very convenient. Provide a warm and approachable convenience store for everyone. Make Puaton a refreshing choice. People who want to open a store, come and consult us.